English to Afrikaans. May I learn?
Mag ek?
Welcome. Hey there. Let's make Afrikaans feel easy and a little funny today. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your friendly guide to languages. Swing by www.synapse-lingo.com for bonus exercises and freebies. Today you'll master the polite permission phrase.
Mag ek?
That's may I in Afrikaans. Think of it as the velvet key that opens any door. Ding. Imagine a tiny doorbell right before you say it. Your goal today. By the end, you'll ask for permission confidently and politely. We'll contrast
Mag ek?
permission with lookalikes.
Kan ek?
Ability and
Moet ek?
obligation. Add magic words like
Asseblief.
and
Dankie.
and you've got pure
Toestemming.
power. Mini dialogues. Listen in and repeat aloud after each line. A.
Mag ek hier sit?
B. Ja.
Asseblief.
A.
Mag ek die venster oopmaak?
B. Ja, dit is warm. A.
Mag ek 'n vraag vra?
B. Natuurlijk, gaan voort. A.
Mag ek jou pen leen?
B. Ja, hier is dit, en.
Dankie.
Dat jy vra. A.
Mag ek die badkamer toe gaan?
B. Ja, jy kan. Forms and variations. Let's shape-shift the phrase so you can use it anywhere. Singular permission.
Mag ek?
Equals may I. Plural permission.
Mag ons?
Equals may we. Ability, not permission.
Kan ek?
Equals can I. Obligation.
Moet ek?
Equals must I. Polite refusal pattern.
Jy mag nie.
Equals you may not. Example refusal.
Jy mag nie hier parkeer nie.
Call and response drill. I'll cue the action, you say it in Afrikaans with.
Mag ek?
May I open the window?
Mag ek die venster oopmaak?
May I sit here?
Mag ek hier sit?
May I ask a question?
Mag ek 'n vraag vra?
May I go to the bathroom?
Mag ek die badkamer toe gaan?
May I borrow your pen?
Mag ek jou pen leen?
May I try on the jacket?
Mag ek die baadjie aanpas?
Nice. Add.
Asseblief.
To be extra polite and.
Dankie.
After you get a yes. Culture tip. Sound natural and kind in South Africa. Polite requests often begin with.
Mag ek?
A friendly combo is.
Mag ek die venster oopmaak, asseblief?
And a warm follow-up is.
Baie dankie.
Keep it calm, smile, maybe a small hand raise, no rugby tackle needed. Memory hooks. Stick it in your brain with a few playful tricks. Mnemonic. Mag sounds like may.
Mag ek?
Equals may I. Rhyme. Need to ask, don't be vague, start with.
Mag ek?
Then you're not a drag. Loci. At your front door, a glowing mag sign. Before entering, you say.
Mag ek?
Gesture. Raise your hand slightly, tilt your head, and say.
Mag ek?
Metaphor.
Mag ek?
Is the velvet key that opens any door. Ding. Quick quiz. Answer out loud. I'll reveal the solution after a beat. 1. How do you politely ask for permission in Afrikaans? Answer.
Mag ek?
2. Which one is ability, not permission?
Mag ek?
Or.
Kan ek?
Answer.
Kan ek?
3. Make it plural. May we sit here? Answer.
Mag ons hier sit?
4. Give a gentle refusal pattern. Answer.
Jy mag nie.
Story snapshot. A tiny tale to lock in the phrase. At the library counter you whisper.
Mag ek hierdie boek uitneem?
The librarian smiles, stamps the card, and slides it to you like a secret agent. Mission. Permission, accomplished. Your challenge. Time to use it in real life. Today, use.
Mag ek?
3 times, in class, at work, or at home. For fun, imagine a polite cat in a bow tie asking.
Mag ek in?
If the image makes you grin, you'll remember the phrase. Wrap up. You did great, one polite phrase, countless doors opened. Thanks for listening, keep practicing.
Mag ek?
Mix in.
Asseblief.
And.
Dankie.
And try the variations.
Mag ons? Kan ek?
And.
Moet ek?
This podcast was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and downloads. See you next time.